Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some carrot and orange juice. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming to watch my video once again. And if you're new here, kindly tap the subscribe button and give this video a big like. Now onto the video. These are my two ingredients I'm going to be using today. Carrots and orange. I'll first add in my orange. Next I'll add my sliced carrots. And finally I'll add some water. Now I'm going to cover and blend it. I've now blended it into this nice fine smoothie. This smoothie can help with boosting your immune system and fight cholesterol issues, and can improve weight loss. This smoothie is also useful for boosting your eye health, boosting your skin health, and boosting your immunity, and aids weight loss and boosts your heart health too. If you like this type of content, give this video a big like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.